Okay, now here we will just, after copying the API key, just we will make here one file, open AI JS, install the npmi, open. Now okay, you can see that in package JSON OpenAI has been installed successfully. Now what we need to do is we need to just take out the two things, configuration and OpenAI API. Require, yes. The next thing, we are doing this by using the documentation guides of OpenAI. Tab enter. Yes, and here we will give our API key. It is giving us suggestion. We will just yes. Solution. Yes, tab enter. Now I took out the response. Now await OpenAI dot get completion. We will use here the model text DaVinci 003. Yes, done. Prompt message. Yeah. Prompt message temperature 0.7. Yes. Okay. This temperature tells how creative your answer will be. Yes, tab enter. This number of tokens maximum we can use. Okay. I've forgotten to give here comma. Yes. What this function is doing, your message, it is sending to OpenAI server, and again it is returning in response the text messages. That response will come to you as an output. It is now we'll make another function. Yes, response and message to OpenAI. And for this input tag we are giving here just value as input, whatnot. We are giving the value as input. Whenever this input will change, on change means input will change. We will just and we will set the yes event listener to this button on click. Now after that what we will give here the okay, we will define it as input. Yes, whatever question we are asking, we will give it as the input. Asynchronous function, so we will mark here await, and this function is async because response will take the time. Console log response. Now we will fetch the response. After moving on to the packages, let's check to our OpenAI version, which is 6.4.49.0. So we will just 49.0 just now. This has been made for the message state, that the message we are giving, either our user message or the response message, the bot message will be of yes response, GPT response. But we need to differentiate both. We will just give here like this, because every message is an object, so we are giving here the text, and here the spot. Spot is for response. Within this thing, now we will, instead of getting it, we are setting those messages with the all messages. By this, what we will do, we can access the messages here. We will replace this text by yes We will replace it by a message.text. Now we fetch the text from the input. Now we want to blank the text after sending it. After sending, our input field will be empty by doing this. Setting set input to be empty. Bind with reference. Yes. Okay. Sorry. The best is this lion and we give it lion. Uh, it will be two. First add the margin of 1 rem. Then display flex. Align item to the center. Then keeping the font size. Now we will style list items image. We will give the margin of the 1 rem. Right. 1 rem. Now we will style the list items. Okay, we will apply the child pseudo selector property. List items. Now we will do the same thing for the third child. Just make it 3. Increase some margin. जानता नहीं हर्ष प्रताप सिंह. हर्ष प्रताप सिंह. Okay, so now we design the main section of our app, which is a chat section. Chat footer, we will give the simple basic input, which we will call the IM, which contains the input as input field. Okay, just at the right of the input search field, we have the button. Basically, button is the image. Basically, which we have to import at the top. Send button. Send button. btn. Or we get the send, inside which we are having the chat, we are having the image basically. lorem 20. What this is basically, this is the response of whatever we we have searched or we have given the prompt. We are getting the response. Now we need to input it. Now let me copy this and paste it similar. Now we'll design its part, style basically. When the 100 h minus 14 REL. For alignment, we set this flex direction code to align items. Magenta. Let's be flex. Director. Then now we will set the align items center. Enter. Clone. Outline. Give the button off. Giving the color. This time I'm giving to the input. Search input field of white. Okay. Now I'm setting border radius. Border radius. Let me get 70. Let me will remove the margin from the bottom by doing margin bottom 0. We have set it. Dot objects. Over. We will just do overflow. Overflow hidden. Overflow invite action. Scroll yes. Scroll behavior. Scroll behavior to smooth. Width. And then perfect. Height of. And then we have to divide minus. 17 yes. Adding margin of. Enter. Display flex. Display flex. Here we need to just increase this portion. Learn 100. This is just a reply of that query prompt. Now come back to our chat. Align it. Text line. Line items. Same thing. Tab enter. Let me make it justify. Now we share it. This is 3.5 icon. To differentiate which one is the user query and which one is the prompt response prompt. To differentiate that, we have to make the user icon class name to be chat bot. Now we will start this bot class. We backend chatgpt 58 and this will be one. will do the API stuff. Now after finishing the UI part, we will cover the API part, or AI part, where we will use the OpenAI API. Where we will create the function which will take the open API and get us the response. Now for that we have to go to a site called platform.openai.com. Let me take you to that first. Just go to this option, click on this key,